This is iSteady X, the newest mobile phone gimbal on the market from Hohem, and it can do some really cool stuff. So let's start. Hey guys, it's Nemanja and welcome to another really fun tech review video. As you already saw at the beginning, today we have this really cool gimbal from Hohem, iSteady X. It comes in two different colors, white and black. I have white color here, and before I jump and talk about the gimbal and some things that this thing can do, let me first show you what's in the box. As you can see, this is a box. It's really nice, cool design, transparent box, and you can see the gimbal color. And on the back side, you can see some things that the gimbal can do. And also we have a code that you need to scan it to download the app in order to use the full potential of the gimbal. So to open the box, you just need to slide this out, and here we have the gimbal itself, which is really nice. You can see the size of my palm, so you can put it basically in a pocket. Then we have really nice, cool tripod. I will show you later. You can mount it on the gimbal. Well, let me show you now. And you can put the gimbal on the table. Then we have USB charging cable, USB Type-C. We have this wristband, so you can put it on the gimbal and carry it like this if you want to be more safe. And also here we have a carrying pouch, which is cool addition, but this pouch is just for not scratching the gimbal in your bag or wherever you're carrying it. It's not like protecting it from some punches and serious damage, so it's really nice addition. And also we have here short manual for the gimbal, and that's basically it. This gimbal is pretty small and lightweight. It weighs only 259 grams and it can basically fit anywhere, even in some bigger pants pockets. And the size is like this because this gimbal is basically foldable. So you just need to unfold it like this, screw this screw, and you're ready to go. Before I put the phone in and show you what this gimbal is capable for, let me talk about the build quality. This gimbal is completely made out of the plastic, but it doesn't look or feel cheap at all. Actually, it's pretty nice and comfortable to hold it. On the left side, we have zoom in and zoom out switch. On the front side, we have a joystick, so you can move the gimbal in all directions. And we have two buttons. The right button is for turning on and off the gimbal, and also for changing the phone orientation, so it can be portrait or landscape orientated if you want to shoot some movies for YouTube, some vlogs or whatever, or if you want to make some Instagram, Facebook stories, you have that option too. The left button is for taking photos or recording videos. And on the right side here, we have USB Type-C port, so you can charge this gimbal. The battery life will last around 8 hours, and to fully charge the battery takes around 2 hours. This gimbal can hold the bigger phones too. The maximum payload is 280 grams. And I test this gimbal using my iPhone 11 Pro Max, which is a heavier phone, and I didn't have any kind of problems. Everything went really nice and smooth. As you can see the footage here on the screen, the gimbal behaves really good while walking, no problem at all. And also you can change some modes to make the gimbal more or less sensitive. Also, I was testing it while I was running, and as you can see the footage here, it's really nice and stable. So now let's mount a phone on this gimbal. Let me show you how this works. To mount a phone, it's just simple putting the phone in this phone holder and just balance it by sliding it left or right until you're satisfied with that. That's it, and just press and hold the power on button and the gimbal turns on. This is it. This is really simple, straightforward. And if you press the power on button once, you will see the gimbal goes, actually the phone goes in a vertical position, so you can go and record some Instagram stories. One more tap, it goes back to horizontal position. It's really nice, easy and simple. In order to use all the benefits that the gimbal has, you just need to download the Hohem Pro app, make an account, and you're ready to go. Turn on the Bluetooth of the phone and just connect it with the gimbal. It's fast like this, and that's it. So now that I'm connected with the app and I have phone mounted, I will show you a few features that app has. I will just run through them. So this is how the app looks. You have a lot of tutorials from Hohem, and you have some highlights and frequently asked questions. If you go to top right corner, you can press start recording, and here you will see the camera app and you're ready to go. On the left part on gimbal, you can zoom in or zoom out your camera. It's a really cool addition. and this is the camera that is filming me right now. You can rotate it vertically or horizontally, and you have several modes like video, photo, time-lapse, which is really cool. But what I like here, what is something new and innovative, is the moment tab. Here you have some predefined movements of the gimbal where you can just really simple use it to create some interesting short movie straight from your phone without messing too much with editing and adding music, etc. So here we have inception mode. You can set the starting and ending angle position, press start, and this is that you will get. As you can see, the music is already included in the shot, so that's pretty awesome. Then we have accept inception. Here you can go, it's another music, another fantastic rotation thing. Then we have a few other modes like panoramic video with the music, automatic. Everything is automatic. You just need to press start and the gimbal will do everything for you. Some really cool smart motion time lapse, dolly zoom. This is pretty cool. Here is an example that I tried. Then we have dynamic version with another music, some different music. And also we have a lucky shot, so lucky time. Also there is a selfie mode. If you triple press the left button, the camera will turn into a selfie mode. I will put it here on the table. Let's move it a little bit up. And here you can also use the tracking settings, so you can track your face if you click it. And as you can see, the gimbal will track, actually the camera will track me. This is pretty nice and cool, and you can use that if you're recording yourself walking around the room and doing things like that. And if you don't like it, you just need to cancel it. There are settings here, a lot of cool settings, a lot of cool modes. You can change the mode of the gimbal. It has a pan, tilt, follow, pan, follow, all lock, and point of view mode. So point of view will follow all the directions. And also you can rotate the gimbal upside down and film it like that. It will automatically rotate the phone, and you can have some really nice lower shots like you can see here on the screen. Also, this gimbal has a locking mechanism of all three axes, so you don't need to worry about your phone will fall out while gimbal is wobbling all around and rotating around the axis. So you can carry your gimbal with the phone without any kind of fear of that. You can also set the motor response, adjust the joystick speed, and also you can calibrate the gimbal if something is a little bit off. You just need to put the gimbal on a flat surface, just press calibrate button, and that's it. It will do automatic job for you. Also, as you can see here on the screen, you can use the button on the side to either zoom in or out, or just to change the focus manually of your camera if you want to be even more creative. The price of this gimbal is only $79 US, which is pretty awesome in my opinion. And also you can get additional 10% discount if you use my coupon code down there in the description. So that's basically it for this short review. I don't have any special negatives here. I pretty much enjoyed this gimbal while I was testing it and using it. It's really nice, comfortable to use it, small size, compact, it's foldable, so you can put it in a little bit bigger pocket or basically any bag, and it comes into color, so that's basically it. If you have any kind of questions regarding to this review, just please ask me down there in the comment section below. I will be glad to answer it. Have fun experimenting and see you guys in my next fun video. Bye bye.